In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a unique product photo for selling custom wigs. If you watch one of my previous videos, I'll put a link in the description to some of the videos about selling professionally colored custom wigs. We had a question by Mara in our Facebook group. If you're not part of the Facebook group, you should totally join the Hair Business Blueprint Facebook group. Once again, I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. So I'm going to show you how to steal one of our photos at privatelabelwigs.com and then kind of make it your own. First things first, we're going to go over in Canva and let's just start off with like 1100 by 1100. So for most websites, they have a square photo here. And then what we're going to do is just take one of the product photos and bring it over. Okay. So now that we have this here, I'm just going to expand it. There we go. Okay. And then bring it up. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is if you use the same photo that we use on Private Label Wigs or Private Label, like people are just going to kind of know. So the idea is you're going to want to eliminate the background. So just go to Edit Photo, Background Remover. And once we have removed the photo, we're going to add a different background. Now, that didn't work out too well. Let's try that again, background remover. Oh, okay. Oh, that's why. Okay. My mistake. I am not going too crazy. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we definitely need to add a background. So let's search for our background. Okay, so we have different graphics. And you want to keep something simple and clean. I know someone in our Facebook group already used this background. Let's see, what background would you use? We definitely want to probably keep something like a lighter background. I don't think you want anything too dark because generally product pages have a lighter background. This might be, is this it? Is this giving it? Okay, so you can see it's obviously on the top. So what you want to do is hit position and put it all the way to the back. Okay, this looks pretty decent. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment. Do you like this? It's not bad. It's not a bad product photo. You can definitely see the colors. Everything is popping. Now, maybe we should use a dark background. I don't know. Let's try it. So position. Let's see here. All right, position. Let's see. Let's move this to the top. When you do it this way, the problem starts becoming that the background, it kind of, how would I explain it? I think it kind of pops like, we are editing the photo. Let me put it this way. We're editing the photo so that it's eliminating the background. The problem then becomes it looks a little messy around the edges. Now you could clean that up, but that might be a little tough. So that's why I would probably stick with something that's a little lighter because as you can see, once I did that transition there, you can see that this part is not as altered, I guess I would call it. But it still looks pretty good. So that's just a quick way you can do that. I wonder, just for funsies, what would this look like? I don't think it's going to be a good idea to use this, but let's just give it a try anyway. So we're going to slide this down. Okay. I mean, I don't know. Which one do you like? Do you like the light background? Do you like the dark background? Do you like, this is actually, it's not horrible. It's kind of fun. Maybe make this a little smaller and just put it in the middle a little bit more. Okay. But it doesn't matter really. This is just to show you that you can take these photos and then you can add your own background. You can add your own splash. Of course, the idea is to get user-generated content from your subscribers. And I'm going to have more videos on great ways to do this, get them involved in your brand. It's something we're doing at Private Label. And I think you should be able to do it too pretty easily. So what do you think? What do you like as far as the background? That's it, guys. I want to cut it short. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I put the links to everything you need in the description. I'll see you soon with another video.